Hi, hello, welcome to Nitin Raj Flutter channel. Today we are going to implement a search bar and how to search details in search bar in Flutter. Here I created some of the contacts and I'm using search bar. I can search it and see visible what are the contacts appear on the same name here. And I type Python, we are don't you using package for this. We are going to you implement this in our own coding. Let's jump into our coding part. Let's create a new project. Import material.package, void main. It's a gateway of every program to run your app. Create stateless widget of my app. Here I don't need this key, so I delete this key. Inside create a material app. Inside that create home. After create debug show check mode banner to be false and create one stateful widget home. Here we are going to create a safe area. Child of safe area scaffold to get white background property, and I create app bar first. App bar and title is to be text to be contact, and the style of text style color size 18 and weight must be W800. Now save and see what happened in the program. Contact appeared, and I need the background color to be green dot shade of 50. And I don't need elevation, so I use elevation to be 0. Let's create a body part. Body. Now first we need to create a search bar. For that, column children. Inside children we are going to design a container. Padding edge insect dot all of 5 and margin edge insect dot all of 2, and our child property is text field. Text field decoration, input decoration, border, outline input border, and inside the border radius dot circular of 25 and border side. We don't need border side, so I delete this. I need a label text. And I need a label text to be search, and I need a prefix icon also, so I use icon property icons dot search. Size must be 25. Now save and see what happens in the output screen. Output will be displayed here. Now we need to display the body part, expanded body part. After container, create a expanded widget. We are going to create a list view builder for this. List view dot builder. And we need to give item count, items dot length. Now we need to create items here. We need to convert this to literal, so we place like this, we do like this. Now we need to create list of data, final list string. We name this as datas. First one is fuel, we string PL. Second one is Ruby. Third one is Java. Like this you give your own name. Here I have my own names to be here, PL, Ruby, Rest, Golang, and we need to create a init state here. Void init state super dot init state, and we need to add all items dot add all of datas. Now we added the all datas to the our items list. Now we are going to display the items here. Context comma index, and we need to return a card, and we need a elevation to be 1, and we need a child to be a container, and here inside margin edge insect dot all of value 6, and padding edge insects dot all of padding to be 9. We can able to design this card shape rounded rectangular border, inside that border radius, and border radius dot circular to be 25. We can able to design the border side border border side colors dot white. We can able to give width to be 2. Now save, and we don't give those details inside the child inside the container, so we give child. We need child to be row. Inside row we can create a circle avatar, background color to be colors dot teal color. I use teal color, and I need this child to be text. and this text to be a variable of index of 0. Inside text we need to create name's first letter, so index of, no, our list name is items of index of first letter will be, and I need to display it here. Items of, we don't need this dollar symbol here. After the circle avatar we are going to create a text. The text will be name. Inside text we are going to place this as items of index. Our name need to be displayed here, and we are going to place this inside a padding property. Now save and see what happens in the outputs. Reload this to see the outputs. Now our output will be look like this. We increase the text size to be somewhat big to look clear. So text style size to be 25. Now and save and see what happens. Our text will be look like somewhat bigger in size. Now we need to implement a function for this search bar. For that we need to create a method void. We need to name method a search item. Inside search we need to name this as search. Inside we are going to pass what item to be searched, so I use term variable for this. Inside we are going to create a new list to be a string, and it's a temp is equal to list of string, and implement this convert to list string literal, so it won't show output error as output. Now we need all the data to inside this temp list. Add all of datas. Our all datas will be added inside here. Now we use for each very iteration. Before this we are going to search term is not empty means we are going to implement this if loop. Inside if loop we are going to use for loop. For we are going to iterate the temp list, so place temp dot for each. Inside for each we are going to create a new list. Why we are creating a new list means we need to search the element from the original list and add it to this duplicate list, so that's why we are creating a new list here. Our new list name is T. If that element was found inside is element dot to lowercase dot contains of the search term, means we need to here it will be look like this. Search term, here the element to be find means we need to add the element to the T list. T dot add of element. Now we added the element. After the if loop create a set state. We need to create a set state inside the if loop, because if the item to be found, original item list to be modified, so set states and items dot clear and items dot add all of. We need to add the search found item list to this. So we are going to create a T list for this. We need to define the list before the iteration. So I cut it here from this and I paste it here. Now the error will not be shown, else return nothing. Now we are going to create a else part for this. If the element is not found means we are going to return the same original list. So items dot clear and the original data list datas will be in datas. So I add datas here. Now we are going to implement this method inside this search bar. So for that we are going inside the search text field, use onChanged property, value, create anonymous method and call our method name search of value dot. We need to pass this to be a lowercase letter. Now save and reload this. Our app will be implemented here. Now search for PL. Our list will be displayed here. PL Ruby. Now we implemented the search bar. Rust, Go. That's simple. We can able to implement our contact box in our Flutter app. Here we can able to change the title to be how much contact will be inside the contact book. For this we need to create a new variable equal to datas dot length dot toString plus contacts are visible here. Place semicolon at last. We need to create this as a final variable, so that's we cannot able to change this. So we create this as final. We need to give this list to be items list. That's how we can able to get the data. We need to place this inside the context. So we copy this, cut this from here, and after the widget we can able to place it here. Now go to the app bar title. Here we can able to implement this length. Now save and see what happens in the outputs. It will display level contacts. When we search according to that, it will change to that. So that simple we can able to implement a contact box in contact in Flutter. Hope you enjoyed this video. Please subscribe my channel to motivate me. Thank you guys.